How to review events you've created on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review events you've created on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then just go down until you find settings. And here you will find activity log. Click on it and then just click profile, groups, communities, events and reels. And here you will find events you've created. Click on it and here you can review it as you see, and it's easy of course. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.